Hey everybody, Alex here. Welcome to Momentum Charting. If you are new, welcome to the channel. If not, welcome back. Today we are going to be discussing the chart of natural gas. Guys, if you have not yet done so, jump down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. Doing both of those things is the only way to ensure you do not miss a single update on UNG natural gas over the coming weeks. Guys, let's dive into the chart here. There is not a ton to say about this chart. Natural gas has just been on an extremely bullish run since April, and it's just been a fantastic last couple of months for natural gas. I'm on the chart here of BOIL, which is the kind of the ultra natural gas ETF, and the two I follow are BOIL and UNG. And here on the chart of BOIL, guys, you can see just the continued push to the upside on this chart. Really healthy looking chart. Beautiful alignment here of the dynamic trend line and the 250 EMA, and we can even get in closer here an equally beautiful alignment on the 20-minute chart as well as the 10-minute, three most important time frames for the chart of BOIL here. And it looks to me like there's a possibility here, guys, of a potential breakout here in the short term. I'd like to follow this 20-minute trend that I've got set here. See, I've got this trend line set right here from the touch points of, let's see, August 2nd at 11:30, and again here on August 3rd at around 10:50 in the morning. And it looks to me like there's a potential that we've broken over this downward diagonal trend line of resistance, just broken to the upside today, and I would like to follow this trend line to the upside and see if we can't break this overhead horizontal resistance at around 45.56. Now with the chart of BOIL, that indeed would not take that big of a day to have that happen. You can see here today BOIL was up $2.37 for around 5.68%. Yeah, it was a really nice day, but an equally nice day again to the upside would have us breaching this upward line of resistance and off to the races here on BOIL, potentially for another move like this that started in July 20th and topped out around July 26th. So about 6 days of super bullish action here, and the price on that 20%. So that would be 10% on UNG and 20% on BOIL, our Ultra ETF. So guys, that's what I'm really looking for here on the chart of natural gas. Just to me, everything in this chart is still extremely bullish. Love the alignments on longer time frames, shorter time frames. Everything here just looks particularly nice. We can go over here to the momentum chart. Also, just really beautiful action on this chart. The 3-hour momentum, obviously here in a very bullish zone above the zero line here, just continuing to get this series, this action, just bullish momentum continuing to the upside, higher lows, higher highs. You can see that here, just pushing to the upside with no real end in sight yet. Let's go here to the daily time frame. You can see not a single sell signal really in place here on BOIL since middle of May, but then it just quickly recovered, and there's not been a single sell signal on the daily time frame for the last couple of months. And just again here today with that 5% update pushing higher and higher. 3-hour time frame, which we do like to look at, like I was showing you before, higher highs, higher lows, pushing up to the upside. And even here on the 1 hour, we've just got this really beautiful trend line that's developed here since, let's see, around March of this year, and just continued to the upside, really breaking in earnest into positive momentum zones here in May, and just continuing to march higher and higher. So to me, there is absolutely no end in sight for what's happening to natural gas in the near term or short term. I'm excited here about this trade. It looks good to me, and looking for, again, on BOIL, a breach of that area around 45.61 to potentially have our next 10 to 20% move to the upside. So guys, that's everything to me on oil and natural gas for now that I kind of wanted to get out of the way with you. If you enjoyed the content, if you don't want to miss any updates on natural gas, oil over the coming weeks and coming months, make sure you go down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Doing both of those will ensure you don't miss a single update. Guys, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Looking forward to giving you the next update on oil in the next couple of days. Thank you for joining me. See you all again very shortly. Bye for now.